Welcome to Miracles Online channel. Today we are going to see the list of 10 highly purchased skincare products in Amazon.in. Before that, if you like the video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for regular updates. To purchase the mentioned items from this video or other items you like, please use the links given in this video description. Let's get to the products. NIVEA Body Lotion. It is a nourishing body milk for very dry skin and one of highly purchased items in Amazon.in. Nourished and deeply moisturized skin is not as far away as you think. We know how hard it can be to find a lotion that gives dry skin the deep moisture it needs, but the NIVEA essentially enriched body lotion is different. Infused with our deep moisture serum and 2 times the almond oil, the rich formula nourishes dry skin after just one application while locking in moisture for up to 48 hours. The benefits of NIVEA body lotion are: 48-hour deep nourishing moisture. Reduces the roughness of dry to very dry skin after just one application. Locks in moisture and gives noticeably smoother skin. Dermatologically tested and approved. Vaseline Intensive Care Deep Restore Body Lotion. Vaseline Intensive Care Deep Restore Body Lotion moisturizes dry skin from the first application. The Deep Restore Body Lotion is fast absorbing for a non-greasy feel. Also, it contains pure oat extracts and micro droplets of Vaseline jelly to lock in moisture. Moisturizing body lotion is clinically proven to restore dry skin. The body lotion moisturizes deep down to help heal dry skin. With such nourishing ingredients, this is a perfect skin lotion for maintaining smooth, soft, healthy and glowing skin. It is ideal when you want to get on with your day. It absorbs quickly, so you can get dressed within minutes of application. The Vaseline Smart Pump unlocks with just a 90-degree turn. Dabur Gulabari Premium Rose Water, Natural. 100% pure and natural rose water with no added preservatives. It serves as a cleanser, toner and gentle moisturizing agent suitable for all skin types. Provides instant hydration to your skin while rejuvenating tired and dull skin. Balances and restores skin's pH level and helps tighten pores. To be used twice a day to get naturally glowing and radiant skin. Usage tips: pour 3 to 5 drops of rose water on a cotton ball and wipe it on the face and neck to remove dirt and grime. Continue to use it every morning and night for a natural glow and refreshing effect. Himalaya Herbals Purifying Neem Face Wash. This Himalaya product is specially formulated to give you clear, problem-free skin, a soap-free, daily use face wash gel that cleanses your skin by removing excess oil and impurities without over-drying. Neem, well known for its purifying and antibacterial properties, kills problem-causing bacteria. Combined with turmeric, it helps control acne and pimples, leaving your skin soft, clear, refreshed and problem-free. Available in different sizes, such as 200 ml, 300 ml and 400 ml. Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water is a makeup remover and cleanser that removes makeup and other impurities from your skin easily. It is enriched with cleansing molecules called micelles that attract impurities, lifting them away from your pores just like a magnet. No rubbing is needed. Pour some micellar water onto a cotton pad, press lightly on the skin for a few seconds, swipe away gently. Proof is on the cotton. Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water is perfect for everyday makeup. If heavy and waterproof makeup is more your style, Try the Garnier Micellar Oil Infused Cleansing Water. Vaseline Intensive Care Cocoa Glow Body Lotion. Vaseline Intensive Care Cocoa Glow Body Lotion moisturizes dry skin from the first application. Vaseline Cocoa Glow Body Lotion is fast absorbing without feeling greasy. Contains 100% pure cocoa and shea butters, known to reveal skin's natural glow, and micro droplets of Vaseline jelly to lock in moisture. Heals dry skin for glowing radiance with rich moisturization. Daily body lotion best for dry skin, dull skin, rough skin. Smart Pump Quick Lock technology unlocks and locks with no mess. Clean and Clear Foaming Face Wash. New and improved Clean and Clear Foaming Face Wash has rich foam, which removes oil and 99.8% pimple-causing germs. This is recommended for those who want to prevent oily shine and pimples and have clear skin. Clean and Clear Foaming Face Wash is specially designed for young skin to remove excess oil, while its special ingredients help prevent pimples. Its liquid formula cleans deep without causing dryness, and is gentle enough to use every day, for clean and clear skin. Apply a small amount on wet palm and work into rich lather. Gently massage onto face, avoiding the eye area. Rinse off thoroughly. Use twice daily for skin that's beautiful, clean and clear. Parachute Advanced Body Lotion Coconut Milk Deep Nourish. Parachute Advanced Body Lotion has unique cocolipid formula which goes 10 layers deep in the skin to boost your natural glow. Non-sticky fast absorbing formula with unique moisture lock technology that prevents moisture loss. Contains 100% natural moisturizers that nourish from deep within. Helps retain skin's natural moisture. And its smell, you'd love it. Ideal for extra dry skin. Goodness of coconut milk nourishes the skin, making it soft and supple all day long. Apply the Parachute Advanced Deep Nourish Body Lotion generously all over your body after a bath or shower or before you go for a sweet night's sleep, and massage in circular motions, paying special attention to any dry areas. Pond's Triple Vitamin Moisturizing Body Lotion. This winter, choose silky smooth and soft skin with Pond's Moisturizing Body Lotion. Pond's Body Lotion is formulated by Pond's Institute to ensure a perfect blend that your skin will love and thank you for. This especially formulated moisturizing lotion is spot-on answer for all your skin's worries in the winter. The carefully selected combination of triple vitamins B3, E and C work together to give you the touchably soft skin you will be proud of. With triple vitamins, the lotion goes deep into the skin to nourish it from within. It doesn't just fulfill your skin's need of nourishment, the formula provides 3 times moisturization. And the result, you experience that amazingly smooth and soft skin on the surface. Say goodbye to the dry and rough skin this winter with a regular use of Pond's Body Lotion. We recommend to apply it twice daily as a part of your skincare regime. Massage lightly on the skin with fingertips until completely absorbed. Use this moisturizing lotion for soft, smooth and radiant skin that leaves you feeling beautiful all over. NIVEA Creme, All-Season Multi-Purpose Cream. The unmatched moisturizer for every skin type, for children as well as for adults and during all seasons. NIVEA Creme builds a protective layer that guards the skin from harmful external influences like heat, cold, humidity and pollution. It not only cares for the skin, but also prevents loss of moisture by retaining it within the skin. As a result, the skin remains naturally beautiful and well cared for. NIVEA Creme is an everyday, multi-purpose moisturizing cream for oily skin which protects and gives relief from damaged skin, leaving it healthy. It can be used in countless ways. It is a popular day cream and night cream. You can even use it on your lips when they get chapped in the cold weather. The dermatologically tested NIVEA Creme is safe on the skin. Using it will help you protect and soothe the dry skin over your body, especially areas such as elbows, heels, cuticles and any body parts that need extra hydration. Apply regularly to get soft, supple and hydrated skin. Makes skin pure, soft and smooth. All the products we have seen in this video can be purchased through Amazon.in. The direct links are given in description for your convenience. Thank you for watching this video. Your comments and feedbacks are welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe Miracles Online channel.